Very easy!
Okay, fine. Go ahead and laugh, you big dumb hyena. Because once I get my hands on you...
But you can't. You're stuck in a cage, and you don't have a genie.
Oh, yes, he does. For the record, Al, the bird didn't betray you. He only almost did.
All right, Iago.
Not so fast. Drop him, or I smash the bird.
Darn.
Excellent idea. Drop them or I smash the bird.
Not so fast. One false move, and I blow the horn of unpleasantness. The undead become mine to command, and you'll be torn limb from limb by their bony fingers.
Oh, what?
Impressive, huh?
Wow. Where'd you get that? Let me see.
I picked it up at the Unpleasant Boutique. Quite a bargain.
Sir, don't. It's a trick.
Here, let go my Iago.
Ooh, horn of unpleasantness. I like the horn.
How you holding up, buddy?
Abismal, master of the undead. I like the sound of that. Oh, shut up.
You've got a grip on this?
My nose. I'm petrified. Rude. The antidote. Give him to me. Don't smash that bird. Oh.
Safe.
Give me the vial. I'm turning to stone.
Think fast!
Give me that. Iago, you were gonna sacrifice yourself for Agrippa. I'm sorry I doubted you.
Thanks. Get off. Off!
Don't ask me to explain this!
All right, Iago's back.
Oh, and acting strange.
Oh, no.
Your scales. Give me your scales.